We are here at the Courtyard by Marriott Phuket Town, and we're going to show you around the hotel with a hotel tour involving the entrance that you see right now, which has a really nice entrance, and then a ramp up to the lobby. We'll then go through the lobby and give you a room tour, as well as showing you all the other amenities like the pool and the restaurant as well. But we're starting off by going up the ramp, so if you've got a pushchair or a wheelchair or lots of bags, it's a really good thing to use. To the left you've got like an outdoor sitting area which has a little cafe there, and then you go through the main doors into the lobby. There's always somebody friendly and helpful there to open the doors for you, but as you go in, it's a really beautiful lobby. We really like the design of this hotel and the architecture. You've got beautiful black and white, you've got the columns, and right in front there is the check-in desks. To the right are also the concierge, and as you walk around the lobby you've got a little stand in the far left corner there where you can get a couple of snacks when that is open, and it's open to the second floor as well. We'll go up to the second floor in just a second. As you walk around the lobby you've got some escalators on the right hand side that we just passed, a tour desk in front of you, and then down the end of this corridor and around the corner is another entrance to the hotel. So in the lift, if you want to get up to your room you have to tap your room key. I got up before 2 though. 1 to 4, you don't need to tap your room key. Let's have a look at the restaurants. As you come out to the restaurants, there are a couple of restaurants on this floor. The escalators bring you up here. So on the left, you've got the first restaurant. Now we didn't use either of these restaurants, but on the right hand side, you also have the breakfast restaurant. We'll come to that in a second, but this is just a look down over the lobby area and that bit of artwork in the middle. Let's have a quick walk around to Courtyard Phuket, which is the main restaurant. You've got right in front of you some toilets, some restrooms, and then just to the left here is the main restaurant. It's currently closed, so we can't really go in there, but here's a little peek of this restaurant. Let's go and check out the pool. We didn't do the third floor because that is just meeting rooms, but to the left of the lift as you come out is the fitness room, and to the right are some more meeting rooms. Down both sides take you to the pool. Let's check out the fitness room. You need your key card to get in, like this. The fitness centre is quite big. Lots of weights over here. Cups of water, towels. Head back out this door. And then down there is the pool area. On the way to the pool, I can't film it because there are children in there, but there's like a kids room. And then through here on the left
Or toilets.
And then we have the bar area right there. We're going to spend a little bit of time, or rather we're going to show you the little bit of time that we already spent around the pool.
Yeah.
So the room tour of room 0504, it's directly opposite the lift, right here. You've got the privacy light on the wall there, which you can set from inside. And then inside the room, on the back of the door is the evacuation plan. You need to pop a key card in there for electricity, a bit of artwork, and a mirror. There is the aircon controls, a connecting door, so you can have this as a connecting room. There's lots of space in here to maneuver the wheelchair around. Massive double bed, king bed, queen bed, king bed, with a bedside table, nice headboard, lights on either side and reading lights as well. You've got a USB port and a universal plug socket, phone, light controls, and also the privacy and all that kind of stuff's there as well. There's the TV channels you can get. And we've got a nice chair. Is it comfy?
It's okay. Yeah,
okay.
It's okay.
Table for your room services if you wanted. I think you can get room service here. Luggage space. And then we've got tea and coffee making facilities in that drawer. All the cups and spoons. That's a fridge. This is the view from the room. And then as we swing back around, before we go in the bathroom, I missed out this cupboard here, which has a safe in it. Lots of hangers. And then it's got a bunch of drawers there. You can get laundry done. Laundry, dry cleaning and pressing. Slippers. A gown. An ironing board and an iron. And then if we come and swing back round to the bathroom, you can see it has no lip to get into the bathroom. I will say the door into the room does have a lip. Big sliding door. And then you've got a little bench there. Don't step on that bench. You've got a hairdryer. All the amenities. Sink with lots of space underneath for the wheelchair. Big mirror. Grab rails around the shower area. So in normal rooms that aren't accessible, I think there's like a big glass thing there. But that's a rain shower, as well as a handheld shower and taps. And then you've got your toiletries there. Neve, never heard of them. Bit of artwork. An alarm while you're on the toilet if you need it. Although that would be quite hard to reach that code if you fell somewhere over here. Bum gun, toilet, and a gown. What do you think of the room? So, oh, and there's a Bible, is there?
There's the Book of Mormon and the Thai, whatever. What do they call it? The Thai Bible? I don't know.
Don't know.
The only issue we've got, there's no shower chair, which we need to
We'll go and
work
sort
out
that.
why.
I quite like the room. I'm impressed by it. We'll tell you in the review how comfortable the bed is, how hot the water is, the pressure and that kind of thing. Yeah.
Once we test it all out.
Yeah. Scores on the doors time. The review. I really like this hotel. I've only got one complaint, and it's not even really a complaint, but we'll talk about that in a sec. I like it. The styling is really nice. The staff are all fantastic, especially Bank, who has helped us numerous times at the front door. Just, yeah, really, really nice. I like it. It's very clean, very modern. The room, plenty space. They brought a shower chair for Caroline.
Which has been great, because it's the first time I've had a proper, good wash.
Yeah.
Since
the pool area is really nice. So yeah, I've enjoyed it here.
Just a bit noisy, that's it. I've got no complaints.
But even that, not really.
No. Well, I got woken up this morning by people coughing and stuff. I'm a very, very light sleeper, so it's no good asking me my opinion on that. I wake up at the slightest noise.
The location's brilliant as well. It's really close to everything you want to do in Phuket Town and Old Town. It's like 10-minute walk. Really, really good location. My only small negative is the shower in the bathroom and the water. Once you get your temperature set, lasts for about a minute and then it goes blisteringly hot for about 30 seconds and then goes back to...
It doesn't last.
It was.
My negative is just, again, my preference. Bed is far too hard for me and it hurts my joints and stuff. So, yeah. But if you're a person if you're a person who loves a hard bed, then it's for you. The pillows are fantastic. I love soft pillows and they're very soft.
So we're gonna get checked out of here now. And the next hotel that we're staying in is the 4 Points Sheraton in Patong. So if you want to see that, you know what to do. Keep making memories.
Catch you later.